Hello everyone, welcome to Decor for you. In today's video, I have shared 100 plus wash basin ideas in your dining room or living room, and also we will discuss in the video why you need a wash basin in your dining area. A dining room without a wash basin sounds like something incomplete. The dining room wash basin lets you rapidly clean the food residue from your hands following each meal. Having a sink in your dining room is a true luxury. If we don't have a wash basin area in dining area, then we need a bowl or a tumbler to clean our hands. Whether it is a brand new residence or an older residence needing a updated dining room wash basins. Using the sink in the bathroom or powder room to wash hands before or after each meal is considered unsanitary by many Indian families because the kitchen sink primarily serves as a receptacle for cleaning. It is inconvenient to wash one's hand in the sink, so you need a wash basin in your dining room also, whether it is a small or big. Now we will talk about the locations where you can fit your wash basin in living room. Wash basin can fit in a small dining room area in a house on the smaller side. Do not use tiles that do not match the color of the crockery unit or the furniture or the site. Instead, use tiles that do. Create a functional zone or corner in a large house by placing a semi-open divider between it and the rest of the area. Using the space below the steps, the wash basin is installed. With the floating cabinets and mirror, you can see how light it feels and how it doesn't look overbearing. Now we will talk about the dimensions. What should be the wash basin's dimensions be? The sink's width and depth should be at least 7 and 8 inches respectively. The finished wash basin height measured from the floor should be approximately 2 feet and 10 inches. It is essential to leave at least 4 feet between the sink and the nearest wall so one person can wash their hands while another can pass. Now we will talk about the materials which you can choose for your wash basin. The material you select for your wash basin will impact its long-term usefulness and maintenance requirements. In this line, we have a first ceramic. Ceramic are created from natural ingredients. This material is scratch and lime scale resistant, easy to clean, and impervious to chemical damage. And the another material is a stainless steel. It is only possible to clean stainless steel using a gentle cleaner. However, it is vulnerable to scratching. In terms of design, it has a contemporary and industrial feel. And the another material is a stone. Stone is a popular choice because of its ability to withstand heat stress. However, harsh chemical will damage it. So all that it is needed to clean it is a bit of soapy water. A new trend in wash basin design is using a composite material made of polyester resin. Cleaning is a breeze with the soapy water, and these materials offer the most significant level of hygienic standards while also being available in a wide variety of designs and colors. Granite is also a good material that can withstand a lot of heat. It can be also used for wash basin. It looks very beautiful and classy. And the another material is marble. Because marble is more delicate than the other substances available, it is typically reserved for use of primary in private bathrooms. The use of a specialist product is necessary because it's a tender care requirements. So marble need a very delicate and special requirement for cleaning and maintenance. Glass is another material which can be used for sink or wash basin. It's hygienic, stylish, and come in several shades and colors and designs. Always try to properly mix and match your countertop and your wash basin. They both should be complement with each other beautifully. So hopefully friends, so when you will choose your wash basin, you will keep these points in mind about material designs. Hopefully this video will help you to decide a beautiful design for your dining area. If you like the video, do like and share. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for more such type of design and ideas. Thank you for visiting.